All right.
Hey guys.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, it's quite Good Friday here in St. Maarten.
Hoping the weather is going to hold out a little bit.
Yeah, our excursion got canceled for today.
Rescheduled until
Yeah,
next week.
rescheduled because there's potential high winds and high surf and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna kind of hang out at the pool and at the beach and
It was an unexpected free day, so
yeah. So
we'll take you along for the ride.
yeah, we'll
Whatever
take you
that
along.
looks
Hopefully,
like.
we have some fun stuff to do today. I might do my my whole jet blast thing today.
You guys haven't seen that. I can't wait to see that.
Should be fun.
He only watches from afar, but he's actually going to engage and participate today.
Yes.
Or
Got all my
whatever
safety
stage.
gear, and we're gonna make it happen.
See. He'll need it. And I'll
Yeah.
hold your hat, honey. Don't worry.
Okay, sounds good. Woo! Waggle those wings. All right, so that sucker's getting ready to take off. I don't see any other planes coming in, so it should just be a minute here. All right. Yep.
Are you ready? How are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous, but I got my safety gear.
What else you got?
Yeah, I got this too. Don't want to breathe in any of that sand.
So, preparing.
Yeah,
Everybody else preparing.
gotta be safe. I've seen this happen too many times. Long sleeve sun shirt. I don't know how long I'll be out here. Neck gaiter. Laurie, you need to move that way. At least 50 yards. He might hit it right as soon as he turns. This one's probably not the most powerful, but some of them are pretty bad. I mean, they'll blow hats 50 yards out into the ocean. Ah. So here we are,
Still waiting.
about an hour after we first came out here, at least. No, probably nearly an hour and a half.
I wasn't prepared for it.
And we're still waiting for KLM to take off. They're still sitting down there. We've had a lot of little planes come in and land, a lot of them come and take off, and yep, there's one coming in now.
Looks like I touched it.
Yeah. And
it seems like they have precedent.
yeah, that's for sure. Because KLM was supposed to take off at 2:05, and it is now
I have no idea.
probably 2:30, and we're still waiting. Trying to get our shot. Got to get that shot, right?
Yes, sacrifices for the
Yes.
good shot.
Yep. The way that woman got killed a few years ago. There he goes. You get the children screaming and crying.
Holy moly.
That KLM was intense.
I got creamed.
Yeah, Lori was at least 50 yards to the side.
And
Yeah, my iPhone on the gimbal got spun around
really
by the
fast.
jet blast.
And then I couldn't recover because I was getting pelted all over. And I heard little kids screaming and crying.
Oh yeah,
And like,
people
I'm
had their
trying to get
kids
out
out
of the way.
there,
Oh
and
my
oh my gosh, it,
pandemonium.
it was. I mean, I heard parents saying, "I didn't realize it was gonna be that bad."
Yeah.
It was like, well, did you not see the guy out there with a long sleeve sun shirt and safety glasses?
And a neck bandana.
and a
So after I was able to recover, the phone is just dangling. So I quickly tried to recover and get the rest of the video. Oh,
we're gonna try later on in the week to actually get one maybe.
be smarter.
We're done today.
Yeah, no more.
Yeah.
That.
Lori's gonna have to back off further
I am.
and use Zoom to see me. But we're trying to do it on a day when the cruise ships aren't in because we want.
So many people.
There's so many people out there when the cruises are in, and trying to set up cameras and keep her safely out of the way so she can video. And putting me right in the middle of the jet blast makes it a bit more difficult.
And
But
since it was our first time, we didn't realize the magnitude of the spray. So
well,
now we know.
I've
knew it.
experienced it before, trying
Some
to be
of
off to the side,
Right.
and recording the idiots who go up there and get sandblasted.
Maybe we should call them the curious beings.
Yeah, you probably didn't get to see it. I don't know if you captured it or not, but there were two guys for that KLM.
The ones in the little bathing suits?
Did you see the two guys that went up and hung onto the fence?
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, you'll probably hear me on mic saying, "Don't do it, don't do it."
That's crazy.
Because yeah, that's how a lady got killed about 10 years ago.
Yeah.
She was hanging onto the fence, lost her grip, stumbled, and
Hit the cement wall.
yeah, hit her head on the cement wall that lines the roadway there, and it killed her. So that's not something you want to do. But it used to be a very popular attraction. You'll see it on different YouTube videos and things, but it's not a good idea.
No.
You know, I put on the safety glasses because you're basically getting sandblasted, and I would much rather the $3 safety glasses get ruined than my nice sunglasses. I had on a long sleeve shirt because I've experienced that sandblast just from the side before, and I know it hurts. And yeah, it hurt my legs. And it even with a neck gaiter to keep me from breathing in all that sand, I was still getting pelted in the forehead. So I ended up putting a hand in front of my face just to try to cut that a little bit. It's pretty intense. So anyway,
I can't stand yet, so you'll see me swimming around.
I took one for the team. Hope you guys enjoy it.
I took one for the team too.
Yeah,
I'm not realizing it, but that's for you guys.
So we're gonna enjoy some time in the pool cooling off,
Oh,
and
yes.
we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.